Hello students, today we are going to study chapter number 7 of Social Science. This chapter is from genre of history. The name of the chapter is Gupta Age and Other Rulers. Let's start the chapter. In the 3rd century, impressive Gupta dynasty was established in Magad. Gupta dynasty established political entity, peace and security in India, which brought unprecedented prosperity. Thus, Gupta age is called Golden Age of India. So children, in the 3rd century, Gupta dynasty was established in Magad. That means the Gupta dynasty was started from Magad only. And Gupta dynasty established political entity. Entity means political entity means सत्ता होती है ना जो वो entity मतलब सत्ता. Peace and security. Security means सुरक्षा in India, which brought unprecedented prosperity. Unprecedented means abhutpurva means which cannot be matched with someone. Thus, Gupta age is called the Golden Age of India. So that's why, because of the political entity, peace and security, Gupta age was called Golden Age of India. Not was, but is. Today also, if you see the literature of or the text of Gupta age, it is called the Golden Age of India. Golden age means best progress of the people. Golden age means it is not like that gold is more in that age, but it is the progress of the people in Gupta dynasty. The Gupta rulers gave peace and prosperity to the people, which has ever been appreciated by foreign travelers also. Gupta dynasty has given peace and prosperity to the people, and this was praised by foreign travelers also. Gupta emperors were creators of Golden Age. It is called that Gupta emperors were the creators of Golden Age of that era. Let's move ahead to Chandragupta I. Shrigupta was the founder of Gupta dynasty in the kingdom of Magad. Now, Gupta dynasty was established in 3rd century. But who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? Shrigupta. Shrigupta was the founder of the Gupta dynasty. His son name was Ghatotkach Gupta. Chandragupta I, 319 AD, succeeded Patliputra as the successor of Ghatotkach. Means Chandragupta I was the son of Ghatotkach and he succeeded, means he Patliputra as the successor of Ghatotkach. Means Chandragupta I was the son of Ghatotkach and he succeeded, means उसने जीता था पाटलिपुत्र को 319 AD में. He married Kumar Devi, who was a girl of powerful Lichvi tribe. Chandragupta I married Kumar Devi and he was the daughter of powerful Lichvi tribe. He extended boundaries of Magad by conquering nearby places like Prayagraj, which is Allahabad, and Saket, which is Ayodhya. And then Chandragupta I extended his boundaries of Magad and he defeated he conquered the places Prayagraj and Saket, which is presently Allahabad and Ayodhya. He assumed glorious title of Maharajadhiraj in place of Maharaj. Chandragupta I gets the title of Maharajadhiraj. Maharajadhiraj means Maharaja का भी राजा. Maharaj means king. पहले king को महाराजा बोलते थे, but he was assumed the glorious title that is called Maharajadhiraj, मतलब महाराजाओं का भी राजा. In order to show his power and reputation, he started gold coins. Since the accession of his coronation, he started Gupta Samvat. Now he started gold coins at first in India. Vallabhi rulers of Saurashtra also accepted Gupta Samvat. Now he started Gupta Samvat. And Vallabhi rulers of Saurashtra also accepted that Gupta Samvat. मीन्स उसने गुप्ता जो डायनेस्टी का जो एक हॉलमार्क कहते हैं, बोलते हैं ना कि एक उसने अपना संवत स्टार्ट किया जिसके अंडर जो भी रूलर्स आए उन सबको वो सिक्योरिटी देता था. ड्यू टू initiation of Gupta Samvat, the arrangement of historical events according to the dateline was made possible in the history of India. Now, initiation of Gupta Samvat. Initiation means दीक्षा. जो जो गुप्ता संवत के अंडर में आते गए, अपने आप आते गए, उन सबको उसने सिक्योरिटी दिया. किसने? चंद्रगुप्त वन ने. And this was the arrangement of historical events according to the dateline was made possible to the literary of India. और इससे क्या हुआ कि जो उसका historical arrangement है that was very good and it is possible to make history of India. उसने अपने संवत को एक्सटेंड किया. जो लोगों ने नहीं माना उनको उसने क्या किया? डिफीट किया. एंड बाकी सब उसके अंडर में अपने आप आ गए. एंड ही गिव्स सिक्योरिटी एंड पीस टू द पीपल. नाउ एम्परर समुद्रगुप्ता. आफ्टर चंद्रगुप्ता हिज मैजेस्टिक सन समुद्रगुप्ता केम टू पावर. मीन्स आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ चंद्रगुप्ता, समुद्रगुप्ता गेट्स द थ्रोन ऑफ गुप्ता डायनेस्टी. Information about Samudragupta's time is obtained from pillar inscription of Prayagraj, Prayag Pradashti, and his coins. Now, from where we get information of Samudragupta's time? So, we obtain from pillar inscriptions of Prayagraj and Prayagraj Prashasti. This Prashasti has been composed by royal poet Harishen. It describes the victories and cultural achievements of Samudragupta. In very short time, he made his triumphant journey from northern states to the Kushan rule of Afghanistan. He defeated about 12 kings in south. After defeating these kings, he restored them wisely. He restored their kingdoms. Governors and officials were appointed to run the administration of the state. Now, this Prashasti is composed by royal poet हरिशेन. हरिशेन ने इस प्रशस्ति को बनाया, कंपोज किया. ही कंपोजेस दिस प्रशस्ति. एंड दिस प्रशस्ति डिस्क्राइब्स द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ victories and cultural achievements of Samudragupta of his era. And in very short time, he made his triumph journey from northern states to the Kushan rule of Afghanistan. Means in very short time, Samudra started journey to conquer northern states. And from where? From Kushan to Afghanistan. He conquered the whole area. He defeated about 12 kings in south. Means in south side also he defeated 12 kings. And after defeating these kings, what he done? He restored wisely their kingdoms to them. But he appointed his governors and officials there to administration under his government. Samudragupta was a great conqueror and a cultured emperor. Now Samudragupta was a great conqueror. Conquer means जीतना, मतलब उसने जो अपना बाउंड्री एक्सटेंड किया. And a cultured emperor means culture means sanskari. His literary achievement and his character were notable. Not only He extended his boundaries, but his literary achievement was also notable with his character. He composed many poems and get the title of Kaviraj. Samudragupta himself composed many poems and he gets the title of Kaviraj. But unfortunately, what happens? We not give even a single poem of his is available today. Nowadays, we do not have any single poem of his so that we can read it. But in his time, he was a great poem according to the text or information we have. One coin shows Samudragupta playing veena, which shows his love for music. On one coin, we get one coin on which Samudragupta is playing veena. That what it shows? It shows his love for music. During his reign, many temples, monasteries, and Jain temples were constructed. Means during his period, many temples were constructed. He performed Ashwamedh Yagna. In this regard, he had got coins made. Now, why he made coins? He made coins in regards of Ashwamedh Yagna, means he does Ashwamedh Yagna also. He collected scholars in his court and created high quality literature. Now he collected scholars in his court. Scholars means Vidwan, and created high quality literature of his time. Scholars wanted his and he wanted scholars' companionship. That means both are interconnected. Samudragupta wanted scholars and scholars wanted him. Means both are scholars means दोनों विद्वान थे. समुद्रगुप्ता भी और जो विद्वान थे वो उनकी रेस्पेक्ट करता था और जो विद्वान थे वो समुद्रगुप्ता की रेस्पेक्ट करते थे और दोनों को कंपेनियनशिप चाहिए था. ही एनकरेज्ड हिंदुइज्म. ही एम्ब्रेस्ड सोशल कस्टम्स. समुद्रगुप्त encouraged Hinduism. He extended Hinduism in India. Samudragupta's position in the history is unique and significant. So that's why Samudragupta's position in the history is very unique of that era. He was the creator of importance of Gupta Empire. Samudragupta was the creator of Gupta Empire and he is very important. Now you can see the coins of that era. These are the gold coins which are very different from today's coins, and at that time these coins were started. So this was all for today. We will meet soon again in our next video.